Let me go deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be much stronger in the presence of my Savior. This is how one of the verse of Christian song goes. Hillsong United, Oceans to be precise. And believe me when I'm telling you, it's actually true. And that Savior of yours is definitely with you and within you, in your good days, in your bad days, and in your best, greatest days of all. Stay connected to God. Blessings to you, and keep your soul alive.